Oh, by the way, this is the nice plain Jane box that the Dynamax mufflers came in. Little tag from Dynamax. Well packaged, good information. Came with your two mufflers in there and clamps and packing to make sure that it's not damaged on the way. Really nice system. Like those tips too.